Give me a kiss. Where's she at? Where's she go? Hi, Mocha. You know Grandma's voice, don't you?
I'm going to show you the other voice. Hold on. I'm going to switch the camera. Watch.
Aww.
There goes Mickey. There's Mayo. He's stretching.
Mickey. Mickey.
Mike probably thinks she's going crazy.
Mickey. Oh, yeah, somebody got their Crocs on.
Yeah, me. I was doing yard work. Mayo.
Mayo. There you. Mayo.
Back Daddy. Mayo.
Mayo.
Mayo. Get back real quick. There's Mac Daddy.
Aww.
Now, turn your butt around. You still look like a child from the back?
Yeah.
Or a pug, I mean. That poor guy. That's such a big body and them little spindly legs to hold it up.
There is his tail.
Mac! Mac! Surprised he's not barking at him.
At least Mayo's cleaning him. He must be dirty.
Mac!
Go in the yard. It's all cleaned up.
Aww.
Hi, Mac! Where's your...
Look at Mayo.
There's Mayo. Mayo. You gonna clean that?
Mac!
Mayo's gonna clean everybody.
And Mac, he acts big. But then when you jerk back at him, he backs away.